8 years ago, I worked an entire day for this. Today, I made the same amount in just a month, working only 1 hour a day. Sounds like a lie. I used to believe that achieving financial goals without working around the clock was impossible, but I saw people doing it, and I spent 8 years figuring out their approach. In this video, I'll show you how to start understand trading, and even if you have no prior experience, and how to apply this knowledge to reach your goals. In just 20 minutes, I'll explain how, with just a phone and an hour of free time, you can start learning a new skill, even if you've never done it before. Why should you listen to me? My name is Agatha Fiala, and I'm a professional trader who has spent 8 years testing strategies in financial markets. I share my knowledge in financial publications and help people understand trading. Today, I'll help you grasp what trading is and how you can start working towards your financial goals. In this video, you will learn what steps to take to start studying market analysis and apply it in practice by watching live analytical sessions. But most importantly, by the end of the video, you will understand a proven algorithm that will allow you to grasp market even if you are a complete beginner. So watch carefully and let's get started. Before we continue, I want to tell you something important. Do you know why the rich keep getting richer? Because they know how to make resources work for them. And do you know what most ordinary people do? They either spend their savings or leave them in the bank, where they just sit there doing nothing. That's why I created a trading community where I share my strategies and methods in real time to help people make smarter financial decisions. All you need to do is start using your resources the way wealthy people do. Resources should work for you, or you will always be working for it. It's that simple. That's why I invite you to join my club. But keep in mind, entry is free, but I can't work with everyone. Spots are limited because I personally help every new member. So pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment and start trading with me today. The choice is yours. So now let's continue. Now let's move on to the most exciting part, the market analysis. The platform is already open and we are starting with the minimum for clarity. I'm selecting the tools, pairs, trade duration 1 minute and a 30-second time frame. And as for indicators, I'm using Alligator, which consists of 3 moving averages that help predict where the market will move in the near future. Their different positions indicate the start, continuation, or end of a trend. It's important to remember that indicators provide information for analysis, but don't guarantee the accurate forecast. You will see with your own eye how the situation develops through careful analysis and effective decision-making. Make yourself comfortable. I'm starting with a rising position. Right now, the chart shows a downward trend and the price has reached a support level, a level that prevents the price from dropping further. This is a point on the price chart where buyers are ready to act. In this area, demand usually exceeds supply, which stops the price decline and often leads to a reversal upward. We see a certain price level, and such levels are typically strong. More often than not, prices bounce off them and start moving up. This allows me to join the upward movement. Great start. Let's keep going. There is a downtrend here. A strong price drop recently occurred, and now the price is making a slight correction upwards. However, it has settled below the Alligator indicator, and the moving average lines have turned downward. This suggests that the correction is over and the downward movement is likely to continue. Therefore, I am opening a short position. We see that our decisions have worked out, so let's move forward. On this pair, a full reversal has occurred after a drop. The price is now making higher heights, and the indicator lines have turned upward, confirming strong buying pressure. Making higher heights is when the price of a financial instrument in a growing trend stops reaching new highs and instead forms a peak at the same or lower level than the previous one. This indicates that buyers are losing and may not be able to push the price higher. If after this the price breaks the previous low, the trend may reverse downward. Based on our current situation, I place a long position. This progress is looking great. Let's keep it up. I'm trading with the trend. The price is moving in waves. An upward move, a slight correction, and then a new high. Now that the correction is over and the trend continues, I'm going up. Correction is a temporary price movement against the main trend. A drop in a rising market or a rise in a falling market. It happens due to profit-taking, temporary supply-demand imbalances, and rarely changes the overall trend. Do you like the results? Because I do. So, what do you think of the results? And this is just the beginning. And now let me ask you an important question. How much are you making right now? Is it enough for the life you dream of? If not, then why are you still living by the same outdated rules that aren't working? In my private trading community, I host live analytical sessions twice a day, explaining analysis methods and helping beginners get started. The community is free to join, and you don't need experience to start learning market analysis. This is a proven system that works because I've been through this journey myself, tested its strategies, and removed everything unnecessary. All you need to do is follow the process. And if you don't start today, tomorrow will be the same as today. Since I personally work with every new member, spots in the club are limited. So pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment, and start your journey in trading today. As expected, the correction upward is over, but the downtrend remains intact. The price has dropped below the indicator lines, confirming that sellers are still in control. The support level is still far away, so I confidently join the downtrend. We are already halfway through our session. Let's continue. I'm revisiting this pair. After our last trade, the price broke the support level but failed to stay below it. This is called a false breakout. A false breakout occurs when the price temporarily moves beyond an important support or resistance level but quickly returns. It often acts as a trap for traders who mistakenly think a new trend has started. Usually, after a false breakout, the market reverses in the opposite direction. I choose to enter a long position predicting a reversal. Let's move on. Here, the price was moving upward and reached a resistance level. A pin bar candlestick appeared at the top, followed by a red candle, confirming that a downward correction has begun. A pin bar is a candlestick with a small body and a long wick on one side. It indicates that the price briefly moved beyond a level, but then reversed, which can show weakness in the current trend. A long lower wick suggests a bounce from support. Traders often see pin bars as potential reversal indicators, especially at key levels or in overbought, oversold zones. Based on the current situation, I open a short position expecting a pullback. We are not stopping here. Let's keep going. The price is moving in a sideways range, also called consolidation. It fluctuates between two horizontal boundaries without a clear trend direction. Think of it as the price being stuck in a corridor. Even though the price is ranging, the overall trend is still upward. This period of sideways movement is often a pause before the uptrend continues. Right now, the price has dipped to the lower boundary of the range, like hitting the floor of the corridor. This is an area where buyers usually step in, making it a good opportunity to go upward in anticipation of a bounce. Some traders consider this zone potentially significant. I take action. We are wrapping up soon, but let's make a few more trades. After breaking a level, the price failed to continue downward. Instead, an upward correction began. Sellers gave in. Buyers again seized this initiative and begin to act. So I will react to this change. I'm going up. Great! Let's move on to our final trade. As expected, the correction has ended and the price is now moving back above the indicator, confirming a continuation of the uptrend. This is an ideal moment for going upward. That was great! The market analysis was insightful, and the decisions we made followed a logical strategy. The key takeaway is always analyze the market carefully and stick to your strategy. Trading in financial markets involves risk. Always keep it in mind. Make sure to manage your risks and conduct your own analysis before making any trading decisions. You've just seen how trading works in real time. You've seen the trades and you've seen that it's not magic, it's a structured system. But do you know what's more interesting? Anyone can do this with just a phone and 30 minutes a day. Let's be honest. Do you want to stay where you are or do you want to level up? I can show you the analysis methods I use. I've created a private community where I host live analytical sessions, explain analysis techniques, and help beginners master the fundamentals. And entry is currently free. Every day I post the results of my trades and club members can follow them and achieve the same results. You will get access to insider knowledge that isn't available publicly and be part of a community of people who are already succeeding. But here is the catch. I personally train each new member, which means access to the community is limited. If you want to secure your spot, pause this video now, click the link in the description or pinned comment and join right away.